Logging on to ABC15.com, I'm meteorologist Iris Hermosillo. It is a weather action day, a reminder that you've got to be prepared for the heat today. We are now under an excessive heat warning. That alert in effect from now through Thursday night. We've also got air quality alerts that are in effect for today and potentially tomorrow. And we've got those daily storm chances in that 7-day forecast. Now that heat alert for Phoenix now in effect through Thursday night. And you'll also notice areas across western Arizona are under that excessive heat warning through Thursday night as well. We're talking temperatures above 110 in spots out west, approaching 115, and here in the valley near 110 as we go into this afternoon and the next few days. Again, I mentioned that ozone high pollution advisory. That means our ozone concentrations are reaching unhealthy levels for sensitive groups. If you've got asthma, COPD, any other respiratory issues, today is a good day to limit your time outdoors. That high pollution advisory in effect for today. Tomorrow, we're under an ozone health watch. That means those ozone concentrations will again at least approach unhealthy levels. And by Thursday, a health watch is still a possibility as we'll keep abundant sunshine in the forecast. And it's that sun that helps create some of those ozone pollutants. As you look at the storm risk today, there is a chance for storms pretty much across our state today. So that means the valley has a slight chance too. High pressure is in control. That's what's bringing the heat. But that flow of the winds around that area of high pressure pushing storms from northeast to southwest. And that's why we've got a chance for some action here in the valley. The best potential for storms will be along the Mogollon Rim this afternoon. Expect those to develop. And then going into this evening after 4 o'clock, we could see a storm or two try to work its way off the higher terrain and into the Phoenix metro. So close to that 6 o'clock hour even. Watch spots, especially in our northern and northeast valley foothills, as that's where the best chances will be. We'll also have to watch out for blowing dust with any outflows that kick out of those stronger storms, especially in spots to our southeast. So just like the last few days, a 10% chance of storms and that threat of dust still there. Tomorrow's setup is similar, and that's why tomorrow you'll see that 10% chance in the valley forecast. Thursday looking drier, as it looks like the flow will keep the storms north of our state, or I should say north of the valley. But by Friday and into the weekend, our storm chances gradually increase again. Today, 110 degrees in Phoenix, but 115 out in Bullhead City. Triple digits in Kingman, 80s in Flagstaff and Sedona. Makes it into the 90s this afternoon. So warm to hot day across the state and again across the valley. Those temperatures topping the 30-year average, which is 104. So we're going to be above average by several degrees. Yesterday, Phoenix hit 110. Today, expect a repeat. 110 in Tempe and in Glendale. Also, Levine and Ahwatukee hit 110 this afternoon. Temperatures overnight, they drop into the mid to upper 80s across much of the valley. You'll notice Phoenix, Sky Harbor dropping into the mid 80s by tomorrow morning. Mid to upper 80s out to our west with lows in the 60s and 70s from Kingman to Globe up to Sedona, and lows in the 50s in Flagstaff going into tomorrow morning. As you look at that most accurate 7-day forecast, today 110. Tomorrow 110, and temperatures stay right near 110 Thursday into Friday. It likely won't be until the weekend that we start to see those temperatures dropping a few degrees back closer to average by Monday of next week.